Okay, in this video, we're going to work on visualizing the college student data. So if you just came from the last video, we were looking at program type, student level. So that was undergrad versus graduate. And we highlighted all of the twos, which gave us a number. We highlighted all of the ones, which gave us a number. And down below, we summarized that, finding out, and again, if we hit equals, there were 269 ones, meaning undergrads, out of 360. So I just typed in equals 269 divided by 360, hit enter, and I get a percentage right here of 75. So I have 75% undergrad and 25% master's and doc. The easiest way to visualize this information is to go to insert, highlight these two cells, go to insert, and then we could argue that this is a percent of a whole. So 75% versus 25%, in which case a pie chart might make a lot of sense and be a nice visual. We could also do the same thing with a bar chart and know that and see the same information. Going back up, let's look at our continuous data. So we'll do this first one. I'm going to highlight the entire column. And I did that really fast. So again, if you're on a PC, I hit Shift, Control, and down arrow all at the same time, and it highlights the entire column of information. The easiest way to get to a histogram is a little bit of a workaround. So a histogram is looking at the distribution of a single continuous variable. It looks like a bar chart, but it's with continuous information. So I'm going to go up to recommended charts. It's going to try to help me, and it's not helpful. So I'm going to go to all charts up here at the top, scroll down to histogram, and hit enter. And so then that will be my histogram. And so what we can see is that pretty much between 1 and 2 down here, well, that's really awful, sorry. Over here on the left, we have several that are between 1 and 2. We have kind of several that are in this middle range of 3 to 4. And then at the end, we have, another group that's saying 5. So we have a pretty even distribution here is what we're seeing. So I would hit OK, and that's my histogram.